nah style, man. You left her from before 8, and you say you soon come. You say your baby mother said the only way you can see your son unless you break up with me. And your mother agree with it. But let me tell you this, me alone now stay here, son. And my brain that I got 100 miles a minute, I'm ashamed because of what people are going to say. Because my name done out there already, so I'm finally electrician. A bad man, you bad man, because of the love of you see me show your baby father. And I said, Dewoy, mother, we are constantly tell Dewoy to go back to Jamaica. You live America, the town live America, and you never make it possible for Dewoy reach. I'm going to take him out of the slum for better himself, and the whole of the town against blood clot me. But none of them can make me feel guilty. Me proud of myself. I'm a proud son of murder and send for him. And now we separate him, take up from mine and him gone 8 o'clock, say him soon come back. Me not take disrespect. I mean I use no shame face. You can't come out of my house and gone me your man.
Welcome my people. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. Big up everybody. Big up in the Friday. Beer rain, me see a shell down the country. Hope nobody not affected. Hope everybody safe, everybody in good health. So I'm just come out right now upon that topic here right now. See Queenie bust up do face, man. Jano star, I can't believe it. So the thing set right now still, I'm wife, you don't know, man and woman thing. Maybe we need even right if you touch that topic here. Cause as I say, a man and woman thing. But it hard. So we're gonna jump on it. Yeah, so before me jump into the topic, I'm gonna beg everybody like, share, subscribe to the channel. So when you can see what go on, Queenie come out, she make all of them videos public, so we can chat about it. I mean, once you make something public, that means that the public can talk about it. So anyway, she make it public, say, Dewoy must say him soon come back and him cut and him can't come back. She don't know him there, this and that. We know how them things they go man and woman thing. Yeah. But anyway, 2 sides to a story. As everybody says, sometimes 3 sides too. So it look like Dewoy never just leave, so. You understand? Is a reason why Dewoy leave. And it's what I want to see him say Queenie bust up the man face. You see what I say? Him say it. There's a video of him saying that, say Queenie bust up him face. I'm going to drop that video there and then come back. And reason about the thing a bit further, because remember him is a younger person versus she's an older person. Plus, you don't know, she they are foreign. Him come from, the two of them come from Jamaica, but you know the thing, she's straight over England, him not straight. So, enough people that look upon it like say, yo, being a yard man, you go want the opportunity. So, yeah man, it make yard man do like crazy things. It make good looking youth married to ugly white woman, big fat sour white woman. I'm not discriminate against weight or none of that. I just try to show paint her like a pictorial, imagery, things where people do just for, advance themselves in a life. And I'm not say Dewoy did this to advance himself in a life or whatever. We just gotta attack it from many different ways possible. You understand? But listen what Dewoy I say. Hear what I say. This is a theme part to everything.
What me that do? From my know my wife till now, I love. You see me? Me come out of the house, I love make me come out of the house. Because if never come out, I tell you, it might be end up different, But you don't know a thing, man, a 3-piece, man. You don't know a thing, connect in a door. That is it. Me she come and she talk, and this morning me she say she lick me with the glass. You see me? But my name not too going at the theory part right. You see me? The practical part, Cause I want to show now how it go. You understand? Yeah. You don't know me and my wife have a little dispute, you understand? A little talking. You see me? And it reached to a stage where she just, she go from 1 to 1 million. You understand me? I say in real life. I don't have nothing about to say about my wife. When me and her argue, I see her the most, but you understand me? I say so. Love for me, have fear, I contain it. You understand me? I say in real life. No joke. But when I see she use the glass in the night and leave me, I say, judge a star in real life. You see me, she approached me. She had some water they didn't have a cup to, and she dash it in my face. And I lie. I not tell lie, never lie. And I there, I take it. I never war with my wife, I swear to you. Never lie. You see me and she put her my mother in her. My mother called my phone and I tell me to go back home. They hear that. Say my mother did have, me and my mother did have plans. My mother would call my phone and Ray, you see me? But at the same time, she obviously say I'm my mother. My mother don't have nothing to do with it. You see me? Matter of fact, my mother people them don't have nothing to do with it. You get what I say in a real life. But you don't know. I love you, know. You see me? I'm always love her, you understand? I'm here to talk about opportunity, about my opportunities and all them things there. I'm ungrateful. You don't know what is ungrateful? Eh? No know what is ungrateful, you know? Okay, if you now look for me and tell me, say me ungrateful. No. I love seeing me, man. You hear that? But when I see my wife do, I tell her straight, I put my hand on my wife. I never use no object and lick her yet. You see me? When I see she use the glass and lick me, I have said Jaja star in a real life, you see me? Yeah. Which party there? I don't know you, so how you want to know my location? Eh? I'm not there home, I'm not the side of Queen. You see me? Yeah, I'm still the road. Is it? Yeah. No joke. Well, I not say she rude still, you know, you see me? You get what I say, it's just that she get out of character. You understand what I say? Yeah, because I never see my wife in that term there yet, but you don't know a thing, go. You see me? Yeah. It happen and I take it. I don't fight back, I not like that, you see me? Take it. You get me? And you don't know a thing, go. You know, people see it and I say for call police. You know, I call the police for now, but you know, in a real life, you see me, I'm gonna see. Say I'm not joke. You understand? Yeah, man. Buckle and she didn't need to, you know. Yeah, man. In a real life. Come look on it and I say, buckle. This I think come down. You know, enough love seeing me, man. My wife, man, I hear that. But you forget the thing straight. You see me, my mother don't have nothing to do with this. My baby mother don't have nothing to do with this. But the simple turn to you and say, you say me I end of you. I come like, I want to stop you from shine. And I just simple say, yo, from I come around you, I not stop you from doing nothing. You understand? I not object to nothing. You understand what I say? I uphold with everything. You understand? I'm just turn to her and say, yo, B, in a real life, you end me from seeing my son. You understand? The argument here, when me share with her is an argument. Where gone from baby mother. You understand? When my baby mother tell me straight, me not see about my son. You understand? Make it as a reference and you know she take it in a fair own term and put baby mother in her. Baby mother not have nothing to do with it. Because I not take no talk from the baby mother and baby mother can't give me no talk. It's just that me can't see me you.
Yeah, my people, say you don't hear that for yourself. I mean, do we say it? Him say, Queenie, bust up him face. And him never expect it. Him have to say, oh, Jaja, can't believe this happened to him. You understand? And yeah, cause you don't know, me no, cause here go on. Me personally, me no believe in a them thing there. In terms of, me no believe a man for put them hand pan a woman. Me no believe a woman for put them hand pan a man. As a matter of fact, me no believe say a man for put them hand pan a woman and full stop. Cause no woman no fear put them hand pan no man. You see what me I say? Me no know that one there. You get what I mean? Unless the boy is a waste boy and the boy forget box down. You understand? Of course, me don't know them situation. But me just watch do a video and me see some realness in them thing and me not lie, them married and me been a watch them thing for all long now and me been a watch Queenie come at been a watch people come at Queenie and Queenie, you don't know how she stay, she vibrant, she come out, she run them with brawling. And me actually want them thing for work because me just did always watch and I say, yo, how people are come at the people them and the people them happy. What make them allow them alone? You see what I say? But of course, it's something else here I come out in the media. And as I say, it bring you back to all the next conversation where you can say, you don't really know if, you see me, because people can pretend like them love one another. I don't know, do we same love her still? And me I watch the video and me see some genuineness. You see me? So I don't know. Yeah, if it was a case where maybe him did just want to go foreign in the first part and then maybe him get for love her. Because them think that me, you know. You see me, you want it for the likes and then you fall in love with the person. You understand? So, I don't know. And next thing we for pray to, he must say, him son, him child, him have a special bond with him child and him child mother would have used that against him in relationship with him wife for not make him see him child or not make him have a relationship. You understand? And that can be very affecting to somebody. You understand? Because if my baby mother did for try that, may I tell you, it would kind of mess with me. I'm not gonna lie, me, I have to be honest. You understand? So that is something for pray again. And him say enough time him bring up the conversation there with him wife, with Queenie, and I show her say, you know, like him relationship with him son it a get destroyed and all of that, and she no want to hear them something there. And I'm in a relationships before and me I talk about my youth and the woman come like say, you know, or the girl come like say she no care about them something there. Or, you know, she's just the time for spend right here, so me not really care what go on over my son yard with him mother or none of them thing there. And that is a big no. Me I tell you say them thing that turn me off. You see, if me I talk about my son and, you know, get excited the way me excited, me I tell you say, yo, that mean a whole lot to me. That tell me something. Yeah, it tell me something. I might act it out differently in front of you, but in the back of my brain, it'll tell me something. And more likely, me I go start look prayer from there, so one eye open, next year I lock. Yeah, because once my child is like the most important thing to me. He's the most important person to me. You understand? Separate apart from my mother, I love my mother so much. Father God, love you to put you first before all. You understand? But yeah, as I said that this can reason out from enough different way. My subscribers them, I want to take the time out as well for thank you for like up my video. Thank you for subscribe to my channel. And as I said, I not stop. We only gonna continue to get bigger, you know. We only gonna continue to get huge. And as I say, if anybody have any exciting topics as well, please hit us up. Please hit us up. You understand? Definitely. Welcome all conversations right now. Because this is Jamaican Chat. We're going to chat about it. Anyway, you know, people, you don't see what time o'clock in the Friday evening. Yeah? I'm not a thief nation thing, but the time really a clock up late right now and the rain a fall. So I'm going to end the video here right now. Will you just let me know how you feel? Don't make you get the comment section active. Can't believe Queenie bust up the man face star. You see me? But anyway, this is your boy Jamaican Chat and I'm out.